I was all the way over in Paris when I stumbled across a crazy method that can make you over $800 a day on autopilot, and I'm going to tell you all about how to do it in just a moment. So, I went on holiday with my friends last week to Paris, but it was taking us way too long to figure out exactly what we wanted to see and which places in France we wanted to visit. So, I thought it would be a good idea to have a trip itinerary, and that's when I came across this awesome AI tool that I'll be telling you all about in today's video. So, let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Head over to thediytrip.com. Okay, so the first step of this money-making method is to grab your phone or whatever device you're using and head on over to thediytrip.com. Trust me, you're gonna love this website. It's like having your very own personal travel genie. You know how planning a trip can be a total pain in the neck? Well, this tool right here is gonna save you hours of endless research. What sets the DIY Trip or Roamify apart is its AI-powered awesomeness. This clever little tool uses fancy technology to gather all the reliable insights and logistics information you need to plan your dream trip. And let me tell you, it's lightning fast. You'll be able to plan a trip to any city in the world in just a matter of seconds. Not only does Roamify do all the hard work for you, but it also hooks you up with a one-click booking. Boom! How's that for a time saver? No more stressing over finding the best deals and juggling multiple tabs. Just a simple click and you're good to go. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. You can even download it as an app. Yep, that's right. Carry your personal travel genie right in your pocket. So whether you're chilling at home or on the go, you'll always have Roamify at your fingertips, ready to make your travel dreams a reality. Step 2. Sign up for Roamify. Okay, so once you're on the website, keep an eye out for the Login and Sign Up button, which you'll find in the top right corner. Click on that and you can either continue with your Facebook or Google account to sign up. Or if you're feeling old school, you can just log in with your phone number. Now, once you've successfully logged in, get ready to have your mind blown by how Roamify works. It's simple, really. You start by placing an order and sharing your travel goals and to-dos. Then buckle up, because here comes the fun part. You get access to their DIY travel plan editor, which has amazing travel proposals just waiting for you to dive in. These travel proposals are top-notch, but here's the kicker. You can customize them to fit what you want. Roamify wants you to have the trip of a lifetime, and their editor gives you plenty of options to make it happen. Once you're done perfecting your plan, just hit that submit button. And here's where Roamify really shines. Their team swings into action, making all the necessary bookings and crafting the final itinerary. They're not just any team though. Nope, they've got connections with local travel experts who know their stuff. These experts work their magic to curate travel proposals specifically for you. Roamify isn't just about luxury travel plans. They're also all about snagging the best deals for you. Their team goes the extra mile to get you the most bang for your buck. They want you to have a luxurious experience without breaking the bank. And here's the best part. They've got your back even while you're on your trip. They're available to help you out whenever you need a hand. Step 3. Enter in a destination. Now, let's dive right in and create an awesome travel plan. So, look for the text box on the Roamify homepage that says Going to. Now, let's think about where we want to go. I'll go for France because this is where the idea was born for me. Once you've got your destination locked in, it's time to enter the travel dates. Let's say we're jetting off on the 1st of July 2023 and coming back on the 7th of July 2023. Pop those dates into the designated spot and now you're almost there. Now go ahead and click that yellow Submit Trip Request button. And guess what? You won't have to wait long at all. In just a matter of seconds, boom! You'll have your very own detailed trip overview right in front of you. This overview is honestly super amazing. It lays out all the awesome things you can do each day of your trip. Oh, and did I mention it even gives you the lowdown on the weather? No more guessing if you'll need shorts or an umbrella. Roamify has got your back. But hold up, there's more. You see those little arrows next to each activity? Click on them and you'll get even more juicy details about each activity. Roamify makes everything super easy for you to have the trip of a lifetime. Step 4. Create a travel plan in Canva Docs. Okay, so the fourth step is to open up your web browser and type in Canva Docs in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears and you'll be taken to Canva's platform. If you don't have an account already, don't worry. You can easily sign up for free and get access to a world of design possibilities. Once you're signed up and logged in, it's time to start creating your very own travel plan. So, look for the purple Create a Doc button and give it a click and you'll be taken to a blank document where you can start writing. Alright, let's make this travel plan shine. Give it a solid title like Travel Plan for France. Now here comes the fun part. Remember that detailed trip overview we got from Romify? Well, it's time to bring it over to Canva Docs. Copy all that juicy information from Romify and paste it right into your Canva document, including all of the images. It's all coming together now, but we're not done yet. We want this travel plan to be engaging and eye-catching. That's where Canva's elements come into play. Get creative, add some cool visuals, icons, or even photos to spice things up. And don't forget to highlight the important words or maybe give them a splash of color. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to save it. Go ahead and save it as a PDF file. That way, it's easily shareable and looks professional as heck. Step 5. Sell the travel plan as a digital product on Etsy. Okay, now it's time to turn that travel plan into a hot digital product and sell it like a boss on Etsy. So, picture this. You've created an amazing travel plan that's pure gold. Now it's time to share it with the world and make some serious cash. And where's the best place to do that? You guessed it, Etsy. First things first, head on over to Etsy's website. Once you're there, let's show off your travel plans to the world. You can set a price for your masterpiece. If you look on Etsy, you'll see so many different travel plans starting from as low as $5 and going all the way up to $25 or even more. It's totally up to you. Because you know the value of your work, you can price it reasonably. Now all you have to do is create a listing for your travel plan. First, create an Etsy account and then look for the option to create a new listing. Make sure to add a catchy title to your listing, make it snazzy and attention-grabbing. Something like Ultimate France Travel Plan, your ticket to adventure. Now it's time to showcase your masterpiece. Add some captivating photos or screenshots of your travel plan. Let potential buyers see what they're in for. Try and describe your travel plan in detail. Talk about the amazing activities, hidden gems, and insider tips you've included. Paint a picture of the epic adventure awaiting your customers. Now also, choose the relevant categories and tags for your listing. This will help potential buyers find your travel plan easily, and when your listing is live on Etsy, you'll be ready to earn bucket loads of cash on Autopilot every single day. So there you have it, you've turned your travel plan into a digital product and listed it on Etsy for the world to see. Now look guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money. And I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money. And I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. And I'll see you next time.